If you're encountering a backup failed message on Carbonite, it can be frustrating. Here is a quick guide to help you resolve this issue efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your computer is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for Carbonite to perform backups. You can try browsing a website to confirm connectivity. Step 2. Restart Carbonite. Close the Carbonite application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the software and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the backup failure. Step 3. Update Carbonite. Make sure you have the latest version of Carbonite installed. Check for updates within the application or visit the Carbonite website to download the most recent version. Step 4. Review backup settings. Open the Carbonite settings and verify that the files you want to backup are selected. Sometimes changes in file locations or settings can lead to backup failures. Step 5. Contact Carbonite support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Carbonite's customer support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the backup failed issue on Carbonite. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.